Anna and Noah's first adventure in the park. May
13th.
13th,
13th. Wednesday, May 13th.
2009. Are you swinging? Noah's swinging. Noah's swinging. Yay! Yay! You want to put your arm up? Where's Noah? There's Noah.
Hey, so I'll totally watch The Biggest Loser. You guys are on it.
Me and Meatball are on it. I think Meatball has a chance at winning, as Josh said, because he could easily lose 50% of his body weight. Yeah, because he's very fat. Yeah, he is. Seems a little precarious, but I don't think you're going anywhere.
Yeah, no.
No, I don't think yours. Look at Noah.
Oh, that was good. Oh my god, my file system is full and I can't save it.
No, you can use my camera.
I don't know what a file system is. I'm gonna delete some things right now.
That's a little baby. It's like practically completely vertical. Nice. Where's your arm? You gonna get your arm out. Yeah. You wanna hold on with your other arm too? No? Yes, it's very exciting. I don't think you need this hat right now. Can we take your hat off? You're free. Now you can feel the wind in your hair. Yeah. You want to hold your hat? You got it. Look at your toothy. Look at Noah. Are you swinging, Noah?
He's not too sure of this. No.
Anna, what are you looking at? You watching Noah? Are you watching Noah? Noah's smiling at Anna.
I guess I put the grease in his hair for nothing.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know if you're smiling at the camera or the fact that you're on a swing. You see your hat on the floor.
What are you doing?
You got it.
We can actually put them in the same swing, facing opposite directions.
You think
That
so?
would be really cute. I think we should try that. Camera ready first, because I don't think it'll last long.
Okay.
But I do think it's going to be incredible.
Okay. It's an experiment.
Yes.
Gonna have some company, Anna.
This side is going to like be touching the ground. Oh my god.
She's like,
Oh my gosh.
she's like too tight.
Guys, over here.
You're like in the same swing womb.
He's
Anna's
very
like,
happy.
really?
I can't get away from this kid. Hi, Anna.
Noah.
Noah.
Noah, what you looking at?
Hey.
You're like little Siamese twinsies. Yeah.
That was a mosquito. I'll kill a mosquito that gets on my side.
Come through. Okay. More swingsies?
This is the cutest thing I've ever done in my
Too.
life.
Anna, what you looking at? Anna, are you having fun? She's like, I was until you made me share the swing.
What the hell's going on, Mom? For crying out loud. See, now when they get married, these pictures are going to be perfect.
Yeah. Did you just notice all the multimedia pointed at you?
Right? Noah, what are you doing, bud? Anna's trying not to touch his greasy head.
What did mommy do to your head?
Seemed like a good idea at the time. You too.
Drooly.
Oh,
Oh, that's a good
that's
one.
perfect.
Oh yeah, I gotta say